In this video, I will show you step by step on how to remove password protected from any PDF file, step by step tutorial. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and see how to remove any password from any PDF file and get access to the PDF file document. So let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to remove password from any PDF file, step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. So the first thing I'm going to do is to head over to my browser right here. We're going to get this thing done for free online with a particular website. So I'm going to click on a new tab right here. Then I will come to the address bar right here. I will type in ilovepdf.com. Alright, so it's going to open up this page. And one very good thing about this site here is that there are a lot of things you can do about PDF or whatever file format on this particular website. So what we are going to do is to unlock PDF password. So we have to navigate to this tab right here where you see unlock PDF. So we want to unlock a PDF, so we have to click on that. Then the next thing we can do right here, there are different ways we can bring in our file. So just click on select PDF file, or you get your PDF from your Google Drive or Dropbox or whatever places you have the PDF. So right here, I have my PDF right here. I'm going to select it. Once you select, and then just click on open. Alright, the next thing you need to do is to click on unlock PDF right here. Alright, so you can click on this eye icon right here to see the password. So once you click on the eye icon, you are going to see the password right here. So when you see the password, you can just disable it back, or better still, since you have the access to the password right here, just highlight and right click, copy the password. Then you have to go back to the PDF and you enter the password right here. Right click, paste the password, and then click on OK. It's as simple as that, and you will be access to your PDF file without any stress. So this is how to unlock any PDF file that was protected with password, step-by-step tutorial, all for free. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this about PDF file document. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.